1.
Now that John has that new job, you wouldn't recognize him. I guess you have to be more conservative when you have a job like that. He works really long hours now and wears a suit and tie. And when he comes home from work, he never wants to go out. All he does is sit in his chair and watch TV. He looks totally exhausted. That's not how he was in college. Back then, he used to go around in old t-shirts and jeans. And he had that crazy green hair.
2.
I ran into Akiko the other day. I hardly recognized her. Do you remember her from high school? She was a little chubby and out of shape back then. I don't think she ever exercised or played any sports. Well, she looks really different now. She's lost a lot of weight. In fact, she looks terrific. She told me that she decided to get in better shape after she got married last year. Now she goes to the gym 3 times a week.
3.
Have you had a chance to talk to Maria lately? She's gotten so depressed. You know, sad and worried all the time. It's a real change. She used to be so enthusiastic and happy in high school. She was a cheerleader, and she was always laughing and making jokes. Now, she just sits in coffee shops all by herself and just looks really sad. You can tell that something is really bothering her. It must be because she and her boyfriend recently broke up.
4.
Do you remember what Ted Rogers used to look like? He used to be so athletic with really big muscles. He went to the gym all the time and was always careful about what he ate and drank. Well, you wouldn't believe how much he's changed. I'm sure he weighs over 200 pounds now. It doesn't look like he does any exercise at all, and he eats just about anything. Someone told me he changed after he got really wealthy from internet stocks. They said that after he got rich, he decided just to enjoy himself.